Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and you know what it means when I pop this hat on completely. It means today is the giveaway. Yes, it's on crooked. How's that? Is that better? It is the giveaway, guys. This is it. This is the day I announce the winners. What? It's all happening today. I'm okay. We're in. We're all good now. It's all good. So guys, I'm not going to talk too much today. I did want to show you one thing in a moment, but for now, just have a quick look at the giveaway. Oh, what? I just popped them all together. I didn't want to go and put them all out bit by bit. It's been a privilege, guys. I have really enjoyed doing the tutorials I do for you guys. I've really enjoyed bringing so much out there. It's not finished yet. We've got so much more we want to do, many more giveaways as well. So don't stress if you didn't win this one. You still have plenty of chances for the future giveaways. Oh, look at me shake. I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's just get on with the giveaways. But before we do the giveaway, I'm going to show you something. Just thought you might be interested. Check this out. First, you're wondering why I'm sitting here and why I have these yummies sitting right next to me. I won't touch them too much because they're very noisy on the camera. And why I'm not starting the giveaway straight away. Because I have to show you something. Somebody started this pack. I don't know. There must be mice in the house. I don't know. Here is our famous Tim Tam. Oh. There is a little thing that people have been trying to teach me. And now these people are my family members. They all like to eat these like this. All right, so let's just bring this down a little bit. See, there's my coffee. Okay, we can't get it down any further, can we? Oh, let's go back further back. That might help. That's better. All right, so the tip is you bite one end, one corner, yeah. Then you bite the corresponding corner. I sound like I'm crocheting here. All right. Now, I don't know if I've done it right or not. You pop it in the coffee. And you drink the coffee through the biscuit. It's true. Can I get it any closer? I can't. Are you ready? This is about as best I can do. Well, it doesn't work for me. Maybe I didn't put this in. It worked. Actually, it's quite nice. Shh. Don't tell my doctor. It's about the third one I've had so far. Sorry guys, but these, I can't help myself, but these are going in the giveaway. Oh, sorry about the sun. These are going in the giveaway along with all your goodies. I was supposed to show you that, but I really wanted to show you this and I couldn't help myself. I've just spilt coffee everywhere. I'm making a big mess. Thank you so much for joining us here for the giveaway, guys. I do hope your name gets pulled out. Enjoy and good luck. Okay, guys, here we are. And that's the giveaway one. Gee, I hope I'm clicking the right one. I am. Get it right, Mary. You have one job, just to click on it. Now we're up to our random picker thingy. Oh, where is? Oh, there it is. We paste our link in there. And then we go, yes, we're going to filter duplicates. We're going to get the YouTube comments. I'm going to go down here. Where's the button start? Oh, it's over here. I got it. I'm under control. I don't even know what I'm doing. Are you ready, guys? This is for first prize of our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm very excited. And off we go. Ah, look at me shake. And the winner is Kim Miller. And Kim Miller says, my best friend Ella, that I've known since grade 6, and we are both 50 now, taught me how to crochet about 10 years ago, June 19th. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. Kim, I'm very excited. You have just won 5,000 subscriber first prize giveaway here at Wow Crochet. We will get in touch with each other. Congratulations. And we're going to get on with prize number 2. Alrighty, this is for second prize for the 5,000 subscriber mark. Okay, get shareable link. I know I've already done it, but I'm going to get it again. I'm going to pop it in there. I refresh after every page anyway, so there you go. Okay. And away we go. The winner for the second prize of 5,000 subscriber mark goes to Liz Angelicus. You have won second prize for our 5,000 subscribers. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Hi, Mary. When I first jumped on YouTube, you were the first one that popped up. Oh, that's so cute. And I have learnt so much from and watched you since then. And that's how I learned how to crochet from you. Thanks heaps. Liz, I am so glad you have won. This is a second prize for the 5,000 subscriber mark. Well done to you. And I'm not going to talk too much because I want to get on with prize number 3. We'll get in touch. Okay, congratulations again. Alrighty, for our third prize of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, the winner will be, oh, hang on, I'm not up to that yet. Let's do that first. Let's go get it right, Mary. This is third prize. I couldn't even get the second part right. Third prize goes to, oh, very exciting. It goes to Holly Kiwi as crocheter. YouTube taught me how to crochet. Lol, awesome prizes. Thank you so much, Holly, for entering our giveaway. I'll get in touch with you. You get in touch with me. This is fantastic. I'm very excited. And let's get on with the 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Yay, guys, we're up to the 6,001 and here we go. Very exciting. Sorry, I'm sorry. I do apologize. I know I get really, really excited. I can't help myself. Let's paste it in there. Let's get the comments. We've done the filtered doodle-lucky thing. Let's press start because we want to find out who that first prize winner is for the 6,000 subscriber mark. Is M. Cherie. M. Cherie says, hi Mary, congratulations on 6,000 subscribers. I had an aunt that taught me to crochet when I was 17 and going to be home with my mono for a few weeks. She taught me how to make vests with granny roll rows. Oh, I'll get it right, Mary. You can't do anything right. Here we go. Well, I made a lot of, I'm trying to read this through the screen. Sorry, I'll read it away from the screen. Well, I made a lot of vests in my 10 weeks I was home. That was many, many years ago. You're a very generous and fun lady. Good luck to all. M. Cherie, congratulations on winning first prize of our 6,000 subscriber mark. That is huge. Well done. Let's get on with second prize. Fantastic. We're up to prize number 2 for our 6,000 giveaway. Here we go. Let's click on the link. I don't even know why I'm getting the shareable link for because it'll probably still be there. And there it is. So we're not even going to keep, we're just going to keep refreshing the page. How's that sound? All right. So we go to the comments and we go down here. Oh, we go down here, not too far. This is for second prize of our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. And the winner is Kaz Aussie Yana Holic has won our second prize for our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, Kaz. Let's have a read. She's written a novel. I won't read it all. I'll just read what is the important part. Very exciting week coming up. I was taught to crochet by a lovely lady by the name of Trisha when I attended a craft group who meets up at our local library. I went along in April 2019. And I'm just not going to go through all that. And she has done such a wonderful little novel there for me. She's congratulating me on my success as well. Look, all I can say, Kaz, is you have won the second prize for our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations. We'll contact each other. I'm very impressed with the big novel that you left me. As long as you left the answer in there, which you did, well done. Let's get on with our third prize giveaway. Alrighty, our third prize. Let's pop the the link is still there. So what we're going to do is get the YouTube comments again. Go right down here. Now this is for third prize of our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. And the winner is Narelle Scott. Narelle says, you taught me to crochet. Oh, I'm so glad I did. You taught me to crochet, Mary, along with another lady on YouTube, obviously, who showed me left-handed. Well, that's good because I'm a right-handy, or a righty, as they say. I've wanted to crochet for 50 years and I haven't managed it. I'm very grateful. Well, thank you so much, Narelle. I'm grateful to you for entering our giveaway, for being a part of our crochet community. You have won third prize of our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Very excited. This is it. This is the end of our giveaway. Congratulations to our winners. Now, guys, to get in touch with me, you can either pop over, I'm very excited, can't you see? You can either pop over to Facebook, Wow Crochet, or Instagram, Wow Crochet, or Wow Crochet at Instagram, Wow Crochet Facebook. You can leave a private message. Don't leave your details publicly. We don't encourage that. So leave a private message just explaining the details of how you want shipment, whether if you're locally you want to pick up or you want me to drop off, if you're overseas, how you want the shipment to go. So I'm very excited, guys, very happy. The outcome is great. Look, we can't go wrong. We've had such a good time doing the giveaway. I just want to thank everyone for joining us here at Wow Crochet, watching our tutorials, sharing our tutorials, liking them, sending me messages and photos of your work that you have crocheted with us at Wow Crochet. Thank you so much. And all I can say right now is I'm very happy. I'm gonna have to go to the post office and ship all this out now. And guess what, guys? Ciao for now.